Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, if you guys like content like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that notification bell. This might be the end of our 2023 gardening season, but I thought you guys might like a time-lapse version to show the whole progress from start to finish. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb life. In this version, it's the regular time-lapse, but I removed all of the nighttime portions of it. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching and we will see you on the next one.